Lawo amandla u-engineering, sikhuluma ngesiZulu manje, engineering into zokwakha everything, impilo nje cause engineering impilo le esiyiphilayo singabantu. Ngizakwenza umzekelo nge-T_V ngokuthi u-understand ukuthi izinto ezi-important ku-engineering, ngingasho ukuthi i-spinal cord ise-engineering of any kind. Into ekhona oyithola kuyo yonke inhlobo ye-engineering, into okumele uhlezi uyi-understand-a ukuze yonke into oyenzayo ku-engineering iphumelele, uyenze ngendlela e-right. Kumele uwazi lama-steps lawa awu-5. Power source, i-conductor, i-control, i-application, ne-output. I-power source, ngizokwenza i-example nje nge-T_V ne. I-power source yilogesi lona esiwuthola ku-Eskom or kuma-generator or ama-battery wemoto. Le i-power source yiyo linikeza i-T_V i-power ukuthi ibe i-light. And then i-conductor, i-conductor yile y'ntambo lezi ezidonsa, ezitransport-a leyo power from ku-battery, generator, solar or Eskom or any kind of electrical power that you can get, yabo. Yile y'ntambo lezi ezidonsa lo gesi ziwufake ngapha, le conductor ikhona everywhere, even nasemontweni, efonini, e-T_V, nasemzimbeni wakho uwumuntu ikhona le process le. Bese u-control, u-control i-remote, yabo. Immediately want you i-remote nalama-switch lawa alapha kuma-plug. Yabona uma ulayita lela plug, that's i-control. Cause why? U-control-a ugesi the way flow-a ngakhona, the way energy iflow-a ngakhona. I-control kahle kahle uku-control-a nje amandla, indlela ehamba ngakhona. Yabo, i-control ama-switch, yonke nje into elayitayo iyacima, i-control. And then bese kuba khona i-application. Application yile nto lena ofuna ukuthi iyenzeke, yabo. I-T_V uma uyilayita uzobona iy'thombe, izoqala ikuvezele iy'thombe ngendlela e-right, that's an application. Le nto lena inhloso yakho. And then bese i-output, umsebenzi wakho wonke sewuphelele, all the work that you've been doing, work done, everything sesi-done. So lezi ziyi-two, in other words, the same thing but not the same thing, just ukuthi lena i-finalise-a konke. That's engineering in Zulu, bafethu. Stay tuned for tomorrow's class.